This video is about classes and class hierarchy. So there is a parent class and a class is defined under this parent class, then it will be called as child class. So if you see, this work is the topmost layer. So the work class contains child class for each case type in your application. Each of the case types in your application, there will be a child class created under the work layer. So generally, if you are creating any specific rules, then you create in the case type layer. If you want to promote reusability, you create across case types, then you create in the work pool or class group or org dash app name dash work, that work layer. If you want to use across work pools, then you have to create in the work dash layer. So for example, IT ticket is a service case and it contains another child case called wrapped off request. One service case can have multiple child cases. Coming to data classes, so if you see in Pega systems, there are three types of classes. One is work classes, data classes, and int classes. So work classes contains all the rules required for the processing, UI rules, section rules, and to store the case specific information and for that case related data. Coming to the data class, this contains, for example, some SOR tables or some data types, data objects, all the data that is related for your application. Customer data type, employee data type, like that. Coming to int classes, int layer contains the integration assets. For example, you want to get data from a third party web server or a third party application system, third party database. So in such case, all the integration related assets, connector rules, service rules will be created in the int layer. So this is the class hierarchy. Say for example, this is your case type. Whatever rules are specific to that case type, that you create in the case type layer. For promotion of reusability across case types, you can create in the work layer. If you want to, you can also create in the application layer so that you can use across multiple work pools. And also, application layer contains required work integration and data classes for a single application. Div and unit layers also have the same purpose. For example, say there is a travel policy that is specific to employees who are based in Australia. Then you create a new division or unit for Australia, and you create properties or rules specific to that Australian division in your division layer, because those are not required for other divisions. To promote reusability across the organization, create in the org layer. So this is your application. You can build your application directly on top of Pega platform or also on some of the framework applications. So Pega itself provides some of the industry solutions which can be treated as framework apps. For example, there is a customer service horizontal framework app. There are also industry specific vertical applications like smart disputes, smart BPM, claims processing app. So instead of building from scratch, say you are building some healthcare application or insurance application, instead of building from scratch, you can directly build on the insurance product available from Pega platform, so that most of the assets you can reuse from their layers, and customization you can do in your layer. So basically, this framework app itself will be built on top of Pega platform, or your app also you can build directly on Pega platform if you don't want to use any framework applications. Pega platform contains the core rules engine for all the case processing and all, to make our application work, and all the OTB activities will be present in this layer. For example, PX change stage, PX restart stage, PX force case close, many other OTB activities will be present in the Pega platform layer. In any case, in any application, innermost application will be Pega platform. If you open your application rule, so I am going inside, okay. Again, see, any application rule you open, you keep on going inside. The last application will be the Pega rules platform. Inside that, nothing will be there. So it contains all the Pega related rule sets. This Dev Studio is working, where portal, roles, everything, all the core configuration will be present in these rules. Thank you.